Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see 6 IT related job recruitments. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so, as we regularly update off campus drives on our channel, and also we post interview related preparation videos on our channel. Also, if you have not followed us on Instagram, please do so, and also you can subscribe to our Telegram channel. So in today's video, let's start with the first job description, which is from Accenture. So let's see the job details first of all. So Accenture is hiring for the batch 2022. So name of the company is Accenture. Role they are as hiring for associate software engineer. Salary they will provide is 4.5 LPA. Experience is freshers. Job location is across India, and batch they are hiring is for 2022. Job description, let's read first of all job description. Design, build, test, configure applications using business requirements, understanding business drivers that will impact performance of softwares to those expectations. Technology, participate in development of automation solutions, new functionality and technology, and integrate them in existing solutions. Accenture 2022. So aptitude to learn, good analytical and problem solving skills, and communication skills. So basically this role is for freshers. So if you are a fresher and you are looking for a job at Accenture, you can definitely apply for it. Eligibility criteria. So all streams, branches of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc, CSIT from the year 2022 pass outs are eligible for the application. MBA, PGDBM candidates are not eligible to apply for this role, as this is not a management post. So no active backlogs during application and during the onboarding. So you should not have any backlogs. So let's move ahead with our next recruitment. So application process is very simple. You just have to fill your details and click on submit. If you get any doubt while filling your application form, you can ask in the comment section. Let's see our next job, which is from Wipro. So Wipro is hiring for work integrated learning program, that is built for the year of 2024, and CTC they are hiring is 15,488 per month. So let's see the salary breakup that they are providing. So first year stipend will be 15,000 and plus 488. Second year it will be 17,000 plus 553. Third year it will be 19,000 plus 618, and fourth year it will be 23,000. Additional bonus that you are going to get is joining bonus of 75,000. So you can read the job description here. Let's move ahead with our eligibility criteria. So 10th standard you should pass 10th standard, 12th standard, and in graduation you should have 60% or above 6 CGPA. Year of passing that are eligible are 2022 batch and 2023 batch. Qualifications that are needed are BCA, BSc. Eligible streams are computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics and physics. Other criteria you can go ahead and read it once, as it is very important to read before applying. Selection process is every eligible candidate must go through an online assessment. The below details are pending for your reference. So basically there will be an online assessment which will have verbal ability questions 20 minutes, analytical questions 20 minutes, quantitative aptitude 20 minutes, and written communication questions 20 minutes. And they will have a service agreement of 60 months. So just before applying, read all these details once, and you can directly applying by click on the apply button. If you have any doubts while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Let's move ahead with our next job recruitment, which is from CGI. So CGI is hiring for Java junior programmer, and the category is analytics and emerging digital technologies, and major locations that they are hiring for is Karnataka and Bangalore. So this is a full-time position and not an internship position. Let's read about the position description. BE, BTech graduate, good analytical and communication skills, should be willing to work in night shift, should be willing to work in support project, minimum 6 months of experience in Java is required. Skills that is required are .NET. So you can just apply by clicking on I am interested, and if you have any doubts while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Moving ahead with our next job recruitment, which is from Mindtree. Mindtree is hiring for BPO voice process international, and the experience required is 0 to 4 years. So if you are fresher, you can apply for it, as the experience is 0. Location they are hiring for is Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore, and the package they are going to offer is 4 LPA. Let's read the job description. Experienced candidates from 6 months to 5 years with voice, semi-voice process with domestic international exposure are eligible. Designation they are providing is engineering or senior engineer. So this is a full-time opportunity, and you can see the criteria to be followed is work from office, rotational shift, CAF facilities are available, voice process, and any 10 plus 2 plus diploma 3 years or degree is mandatory. So you should have 10 plus 2 education with, and after that you should have a 3-year graduation course. So you can read all the complete details, and if you have any doubts while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Moving on with the next internship, which is from Zuno. Zuno is looking for fellowship, so they are having this fellowship in the month of December, that is on 17th December. So applications are open now. You can apply by filling your details, that is full name, your email ID, phone number, and all of the details, and you can enroll for the fellowship. Moving ahead with our last job recruitment for today, which is from CRAD. CRAD is hiring for security compliance intern for the location Bangalore in Karnataka. So let's see the educational qualifications. You should be a final year students of MBA, BE, BTech, BCA with proven academic record, have some understanding of information security related subjects from their curriculum, have basic understanding of cloud services models along with public cloud service providers, that is AWS, GCP, Azure. So if you possess these educational qualifications, you can apply for this, and for applying you just need to click on the apply this to this job button, and you can directly apply for it. So that's all for today's video. In today's video we have seen 6 different job opportunities. Again, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have not followed us on Instagram, please follow, and if you have not subscribed to our Telegram channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching.